Hello viewers, welcome to Great Joy channel. In this video I'm going to explain how to unhide multiple sheets in Excel. Without more efforts you can unhide all the sheets by simple coding. Please subscribe our channel for more updates. Let's see the coding. Open the worksheet, and in this workbook there are many active sheets, and I would like to unhide all the hidden sheets. So if I go unhide, there are so many sheets are there, so at a time I can select only one sheet to unhide. So instead of click each time unhide and select individual sheets, I can write one single code to unhide all the sheets. Right click on any active sheet, click on view code and go to view menu, immediate window already opened, so that it shows the immediate window already. So for example, just I'm closing it, so at the first time it won't show the immediate window. So go to view menu, immediate window, you have to paste this code and press enter key from the end. That's now all the sheets are unhide. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you.